Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. Making money online has exploded in popularity, and passive income is the name of the game. That's right, once you set up a passive income stream, it can generate income without you having to lift a finger. Who doesn't love earning money while they sleep? With a multitude of online income opportunities available, you can supplement your income or even start a new career. Welcome to our channel, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Let's get started. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 proven ways that you can use to make money online in 2023. Each method appeals to people with different skills and interests, so make sure you watch to the end to find one that appeals to you. Number 1. Start your own blog. To earn money online, blogging isn't really a novel notion. Blogging has become an incredibly popular way to share your thoughts and experiences with the world, but did you know that you can also turn your blog into a profitable business? By creating high-quality content that resonates with your readers and partnering with brands or running ads, you can start earning money from your blog. One of the best things about starting a blog is that you can write about almost anything you're passionate about. From travel to food to fashion, there's an audience out there for just about every niche. By creating content that people love to read and share, you'll start building a following and can eventually monetize your blog through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even by creating and selling your own products. Number 2. Offer on-demand, one-on-one courses. In today's digital age, people are always looking to learn new skills, and many are willing to pay for personalized instruction. By offering your expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses to help others learn and grow. The great thing about offering one-on-one courses is that you can customize the content to fit each individual's needs. Whether you're a fitness expert, a language tutor, or a business coach, you can create courses that cater to your clients' unique goals and interests. Plus, with the rise of video conferencing technology, it's easier than ever to connect with clients from all over the world. Number 3. Taking aerial photos. With the increasing popularity of drones, more and more people are looking for ways to capture breathtaking aerial footage, and that's where you come in. By mastering the art of drone photography, you can provide your clients with stunning visuals that can be used in a variety of industries, from real estate to marketing and beyond. The beauty of taking aerial photos is that you have the freedom to explore and capture stunning landscapes and perspectives that you wouldn't be able to see otherwise. You can fly your drone over mountains, oceans, and forests, all while creating beautiful images that are in high demand. Plus, with the ability to edit and enhance your photos using specialized software, you can create truly one-of-a-kind images that your clients will love. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without actually holding any inventory. Essentially, you act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier, and you make a profit by charging a higher price than what you pay the supplier. The beauty of dropshipping is that it requires very little upfront investment. All you need to do is set up an online store, find a supplier who's willing to dropship, and start selling products. You don't need to worry about storing inventory, packaging and shipping products, or handling returns. Instead, you can focus on marketing your store and driving traffic to your website. With the right strategy, dropshipping can be a highly profitable business that allows you to work from anywhere in the world. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. Everyone is constantly seeking a little assistance to make their work easier. Becoming a virtual assistant is a really cool way to work from home and earn some money. As a virtual assistant, you'd be providing administrative support to businesses or individuals remotely. This could include things like managing email, scheduling appointments, doing data entry, or even handling social media accounts. The best part of being a virtual assistant is that you can work from anywhere with an internet connection and set your own hours. Plus, you can specialize in an area that you're really good at or interested in. For instance, if you're an expert in graphic design, you could offer virtual assistant services that focus on that skill. To find clients, you can use websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Check out the link in the description below on where to sign up. Number 6. Assistance with data interpretation. In today's data-driven world, companies and individuals alike are constantly gathering large amounts of data, but not everyone has the expertise to make sense of it all. That's where you come in. By offering your services as a data interpreter, you can help others understand complex data sets and make informed decisions based on the insights you provide. The great thing about offering data interpretation services is that you don't need any expensive equipment or special training. All you need is a strong analytical mind, attention to detail, and the ability to communicate your findings effectively. You can offer your services to businesses, research organizations, or even individuals who need help understanding data related to their personal finances or health. Number 7. Become a freelance video editor. Even with automated editing tools, a lot of small businesses produce films for YouTube and other social media that are of poor quality or take a long time. This money-making scheme involves working as a typical video editor who guarantees to take unprocessed iPhone video and produce a brief, polished piece from it. It would just be necessary for the business owners to record the uncut video. The editor is in charge of everything else, so he or she should make it attractive and quick. With the demand for high-quality content on YouTube, there's never been a better time to offer your editing services to YouTubers looking to enhance their content. All you need is a strong portfolio showcasing your skills, reliable editing software, and a willingness to collaborate with YouTubers to bring their vision to life. Number 8. Work as a tutor online. With the rise of remote work and e-learning, the demand for online tutoring services has never been higher. As a tutor, you can share your knowledge and expertise with students around the world and help them achieve their academic goals. All you need is a strong understanding of the subject you want to teach, a reliable internet connection, and a willingness to work with students of all ages and backgrounds. With online tutoring platforms like Chegg and TutorMe, you can connect with students and set your own rates for services. You can even offer customized lesson plans and group sessions to increase your earning potential. Number 9. Check out other people's web pages. Now this is a really interesting way to make money online, by checking out other people's websites. That's right, you can get paid for simply browsing and testing out other people's websites and giving your feedback on them. Companies like User Testing and TryMyUI pay website testers around $10 for a 20-minute interview to evaluate the usability and functionality of different web pages. As a website tester, you'll be given a set of instructions and tasks to complete on the website, and you'll be asked to provide your honest opinion on the experience. This feedback helps website owners improve their user experience and make their websites more user-friendly. Today, a lot of individuals create websites, and they all want to make sure that such websites are simple for other people to use and navigate. That's a problem since it's simple to believe everything makes sense while you're building a website. But there are situations when people have difficulties with issues you never even considered. Those other people might include you. You can therefore evaluate others' websites and provide feedback. Individuals will actually pay you to visit their website and give them your opinion. So, if you have a keen eye for detail and enjoy testing out different websites, then this could be a great way for you to earn some extra cash on the side. We hope that these 9 proven ways to make money online have inspired you to start earning some more income. Remember, making money online takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you choose to start a blog, become a virtual assistant, or offer your services as a freelance video editor, there are endless opportunities to make money online. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make money online. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.